Take a look at these videos. If I were to tell you that all these videos are AI generated, would you believe it? Let me tell you guys, these are all AI generated videos. And as you can see, the videos look absolutely incredible. I was able to generate all these videos using Google's very own video generator, Veo 2. If you are all amazed by video generators like Minimax, Kling, or Sora, then you need to hold your horses because Google's Veo 2 has overtaken all of them. It has literally taken the internet by storm with its outstanding, ultra-realistic video generation abilities. It is so good at creating real motions that it has overtaken all other AI video generators to become the best one yet. Take a look at this image. I generated this image through Google's AI image generator named Imagen 3 and then turned it into a video using Google Veo 2. And as you can see, the result is just outstanding. Now, Veo 2 and Imagen were not open to all previously, but now they have recently made it live for everyone. And in today's video, I will show you how you can generate with Google Veo 2 for absolutely free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right. We will be using Google AI Studio to generate with Veo 2. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Now this is the main interface to generate the videos. As you can see, it looks pretty simple. Now with this, you can generate text to video as well as image to video. First, let's try the text to video option. So in the prompt, I will write my usual prompt. Then from here, you can select how many videos to generate at once. I will keep it at 1. Then, for the aspect ratio, I will keep it at this, and for the video duration, I'll change it to 5 seconds. As you can see, it has various options, which is awesome. Next, just click on Run and wait for it to generate the results. And here is the output. As you can see, this video looks absolutely phenomenal. The quality of the video is outstanding, and there are no distortions or morphings whatsoever. Look at the way her hair was moving. It looks so real. I am very much impressed with the result. And this is why Veo 2 is ranked the best text-to-video generator, leaving behind even Sora. Let's try one more. This time, let's try to generate something complex. So I will give it this prompt and click on Run. Here's the result. This video is honestly next level. Just look at how real and smooth everything looks. The movement feels natural, like you're actually riding the bike yourself. The details, the sand, and the surroundings are all so clear and lifelike. The way the camera moves is super smooth, with no weird glitches or jumps. It's really impressive how Veo 2 can make a video that looks this real. If you didn't know, you'd think it was shot with a real camera. This is a big step forward for AI video generation. Let's try one more. This time I will be using this prompt and hit generate. And here is the result. This video looks absolutely amazing. The aerial view of the Great Pyramid of Giza is so clear and realistic, it almost feels like you're flying right above it. The details are sharp, and the way the city skyline appears in the background makes the whole scene look even more grand. The colors are bright, and the sky is perfectly clear. It's really impressive how smooth and steady the video is, with no strange glitches. Overall, this is a fantastic video. And now let's generate some image to videos. From here, you can upload your image. I will upload this image. Next in the prompt section, I will write a very simple prompt like this and hit generate. And here is the output. This video is really impressive. One thing that stands out is how the face stays constant and natural throughout the whole video. There are no weird changes or glitches. The expression and features remain the same from start to finish. The movement feels smooth, and the quality is very clear. It's not easy for AI to keep the face looking the same in every frame, but this video does it really well. Overall, a great example of how good image-to-video generation has become. Let's try one more. This time, I will upload this image and give it this prompt and hit generate. And here is the output. This video looks decent, but honestly, it's not on the same level as what Kling can do. The scene is clear, and you can see what's happening, but the overall quality just doesn't feel as sharp or realistic. In my opinion, Veo 2 works best for text-to-video generation, where it really shines. But for image-to-video results, I still think Kling is the best option right now. If you want the most natural and high-quality image-to-video, Kling is the way to go. Now let me tell you guys that this is free, but not unlimited. There are some daily generation limits, but you can easily generate 10 to 15 videos daily. And while generating, you might get a warning like this. Just keep on clicking on Run and it will generate your video. Here's a short documentary video I have created using clips generated with VO2.
In the desert sands of Giza, where time wears its ancient cloak and whispers of epochs gone by play in the arid winds, rises a testament to human ingenuity and mystery, the Great Pyramid of Giza. This colossal monument of stone, standing resiliently against the backdrop of a modern world, draws millions each year, their eyes wide with wonder, their minds racing with questions. How was it constructed? What secrets does it hold? The precision with which the stones were cut and placed, it's remarkable. Imagine the shimmering limestone casing stones reflecting the sun for miles.
That was fire, wasn't it? And you can do it too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.